We're at the farm where the family works at in a town called Hagonoy. Hagonoy. I gotta learn the pronunciation, but we're in this town that the lady mentioned, the fiance, well, my mom, well, my girlfriend's mom, and we're on the edge of town. This is southwest of Digos, about a 30-minute drive. Also, that's some fresh mango. Had to get. Was that the one you just picked? Nice. Okay, I'll get some in a minute. But yeah, we're on the edge of. We're on southwest of town, in that little town. They just mentioned. I'm not going to try and pronounce it. They know it better than I do. How to pronounce some of these towns. But yeah, it's a beautiful view. It's very nice and quiet. You got the mountains just west of town, a gravel farm road, and you got a quarry right above here. This is adjacent to this high school. Get some beautiful views. You have a lot of stuff is grown here. Rice, bananas, mangoes, coconut. You have a lot of various things. Sugar cane. That's sugar cane right here. That is grown here. A few of the tricycle riders. Hey, how you guys doing? How you doing? Couple people on their motorcycles. How you guys doing? How you doing? Yes, the road coming out here, it's definitely a rougher road. I mean, you come out here on a lot of, back country roads right back through here, but yeah, you get these mountains here in the background of the family farm. It's pretty quiet back here. It's a farm area and municipal dump site right there. It's right next to the family farm. Hagonoy, I think is how it's pronounced. They shoot birds here to keep the birds that are that destroy the fields. It's probably about, I'm going to say probably about 85 degrees. It's before 11 a.m. Banana fields right through there. Big plot of, hey Irish, these are all banana fields right here. Yeah, banana fields. Large plot of banana fields that you could see for a long way away. And what do they call these trees on the edge? These trees that are on the edge of the field. What do they call these? Yeah, these little ones. Mem tree? Oh. I didn't know what it was used for, but I see it right here on the edge of the field. Hey, how you doing here? Oh, you got a bird there? Let me see it. Oh, you got binoculars. I was about to say, did you have a live bird that he just killed there? Yeah, you get a really good view. You got two banana fields on either side. Really pretty out here. Tricycle. Now, what are they planting in this empty field right here? That's
Banana.
all banana. So there'll be more banana trees right there.
Banana.
More banana trees here.
Yeah, in this empty field.
Empty field daw.
As I mentioned, this is southwest of Digos City. How you guys doing? Hey, how are you? Just beautiful views outside of town, but that's it for this one.